Yo, what up, guys? GM from whatever part of the world it is you're watching this video from. This is Solu Baba bringing you steady crypto updates from the stables of Web3 Crypto Hub, the platform that is 100% focused in sharing opportunities in the crypto space and the Web3 space. So this morning, we'll be looking at the BTC chart. Of course, I've already shared a trading signal on this BTC. I've shared it to the members of the Web3 Crypto Hub on Telegram. So if you're not there, look for it. Look for the link in somewhere around this video. Look for the link to join so that you can participate in these free signals that I share daily. All right, so this is the chart of BTC, and since this week, from Sunday night, basically, we've been seeing some bullish moves across the market. We've been seeing some bullish movements, particularly the BTC market, following the news of Trump trying to add a couple of cryptocurrencies to the crypto reserve of the United States government. So that has actually been a bullish news, and as of Sunday night, we saw about 3.3 million or billion, hope I'm correct now, dollars being added to the cryptocurrency market. That's actually a lot of money, and since then, the market has been behaving and showing some bullish tendencies. So the question now is, what is happening next? What is going to happen next? Of course, if you've been following me, you know that I like to look at things. I like to look at my analysis from a balanced perspective. I like to look at both sides of the coin. In the previous video I dropped, I stated that I was still expecting BTC to come down to 75K. I wouldn't really say that I'm no longer expecting that kind of thing to happen. But then I think we have to be realistic and look at what is happening. BTC broke this very downsloping resistance. I can see this very resistance that BTC broke. And since then, it's been going up. Currently, it has hit a major, this is actually another resistance for today. This is a resistance that it has hit. And what I'm expecting is that there's going to be a sell. The sell that should take it down to 85K. Now, why am I contemplating this sell? Had BTC this morning, you can see when it dropped to, after this morning, when it dropped to 86.3, had BTC actually come down to, let's say, $86,000 or 85,866, as you can see on this chart, I wouldn't have any reason to contemplate shorting this market. No, there is no reason why I would be selling this market. But I am contemplating selling because it didn't actually take out this price level, this 85K. Had BTC come down to 86K, as I said, something within the region of 86K to maybe 85.9 or thereabouts, there is no reason why I would be contemplating selling. Now I'm considering selling because this market didn't touch here. Instead, it moved here. So this is more like an opium move. Had BTC come down here, it would have come down to 85.8 or 86K. I would have been more comfortable because that would give it a very balanced move. But now, this is literally floating on wings without any balance. So I still expect BTC to come down to 85K before negotiating whether to continue to go up or whether to drop down. Now, like I said, I like to look at the analysis from every angle possible. So I'm going to be sharing another chart, another BTC chart from another platform, which is also what I normally use, so that I'll be very certain and be very sure of whatever decision I'm making concerning the market. Now, this is from SNES. SNES is a forex trading platform. That's also where I have my BTC, another BTC chart and another BTC analysis. Now, looking at this, look at this downsloping resistance. So you can see that anytime BTC touched it, it has always dropped. Look at it, it touched it here, dropped, touched it here, went low. Now it has touched it again. So the question now is, what are we expecting to happen? What do we think is going to happen? I think it's going to drop. I think it's going to sell. But that notwithstanding, I'm also not oblivious of the fact that there is also another resistance around this very region. Please follow my mouse. There is also another resistance around this very region. So that is why, even if I am taking a sell, I have to be very, very careful and embrace a very tight stop loss. And where would I be putting my stop loss? I will be putting this stop loss somewhere a little bit above this very swing high that BTC made there. Somewhere above $90,600 or so. Yes, that's where I'll be contemplating putting my stop loss. And where would I be targeting to take profit? Of course, around that region where BTC was supposed to have touched this morning before going up, but it didn't touch it. So I will be putting my take profit around that 85.9, 86K or so. then my stop loss would be above this very swing high. Reason being that, as I said, that should BTC come to take up to it go above this very swing high we are seeing here, the next thing is that it is going back to hit this major resistance we have here, right? So let me use a higher time frame so that you can clearly see what I'm talking about. So this is the 4-hour chart for you to see the resistance I'm talking about. Looking at the 4-hour chart, you can see that this has been a major resistance on our own. And anytime market came there, it always dropped. Now, it's possible that this current move might take it up to retest that 93K again before dropping. So if this drop doesn't continue, if this sell doesn't continue, instead goes up and hits this, goes above the previous high, the next place where we should be expecting is around that 93K. And it's from that 93K that I'm very certain that BTC will now start dropping to go back to the 75K, 74K zone that I have always talked about. But like I said, nothing is cast in stone in this analysis. Everything is still a game of probability. That's why embracing stop loss is the best thing you can do for yourself as a trader. All right, guys. So like I said, this is just what I wanted to share with us this morning. I've already shared the signal to my people in the Telegram channel, and I've given them conditions and told them what to do and never to forget embracing their stop loss. Also, not to elongate matters, but look at this now. This is actually a liquidity. There is a liquidity around this very area. This is another chart. You can see this liquidity here. Look at this shaded zone. Please follow my mouse. This shaded zone around this 93K. Now, that is another place where that is another reason why if BTC should hit a stop loss or go above this very previous swing high, the next place we should be targeting it is here. So what I'm saying in essence is that if BTC comes again and hits up this very swing high, now the best thing would be to enter a buy position. And if you enter a buy position, where would you be targeting to take your profit? Of course, around this 93K, because that is the next liquidity grab area. All right, guys, I hope this has been clear enough. If you like this content, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, share, and please follow us on Telegram. Like I said, every day we keep sharing opportunities in the crypto space and in the Web3 space. Till I come away again, answer her. Salutes.